can throw your nut and washer on if you want. What?
The wiring has started.
Fucking Fords. Looking for a set of headers for a 1977 Ford F250. Holy shit. If you buy the engine huggers, the passenger side engine mount needs to be moved backwards 1 inch. If you order a full set of headers, none of them clear the engine mount, the cradle, on a 2-wheel drive. They clear the 4-wheel drive. So to find a set that fits a 2-wheel drive, I just found one set after 2 hours of looking. $860, which is more than what the budget has set aside for headers, but holy shit. 2 hours of looking, found one set. And those are just plain steel, uncoated. So anyway, still at it. Challenges. Why does Ford have to be so difficult?
Just in the back of the truck towards the front, there's a ton of vacuum lines just for this.
Oh.
Just a pile of them.
I suppose.
Yeah. I'm gonna need it with this thing.
It's probably the ones that were in here. And I forgot.
I bet you that is exactly what it is. That big guy.
Oh, they suck.
They go in super easy, right?
Oh. Kathy, can you?
Huh? What am I doing?
Alright,
Holding?
I'll put those on there and it should be good. I don't know. Get it on something.
Okay, we ordered factory covered seat covers for the F250. They look great. Tyler put them together yesterday, and then we took them over to Danny to have some holes cut in them, make sure they were done right. He does the interiors typically, him and Matt. And he ended up having to put an inch foam on top of the seat. So today, right now, we're going to take the back over there because it's very loose fitting. So he's going to put an inch of foam on this one also. Then we'll be able to put the seat in. But I'm going to take the camera with today. I didn't expect it to be totally dismantled and re-put together yesterday. But we'll take this today and we'll show you how to stretch a factory seat cover over the factory foam and frame. But we're going to add 1 inch of foam to A, make it comfortable, and B, make the new cover fit better. All right, hey, we're at Danny's. Took the seat apart. Now we're going to take some steam to the actual foam pad, bring some light back into it, and then possibly put on a 1 inch foam top to add to it. Awesome.
This way, or we know for sure it's not going to show. That's a packing crease.
Same with these. Come out when they with heat.
Still waiting on a muffler?
No, I got it here.
Oh, you do? Gross.
Okay, so where we are, engine, it is in. Radiator, it is in. We are waiting for a water neck and plug organizers and the AC lines. That all is supposed to be in by Monday or Tuesday of next week. So we can actually fire this up next week. It is coming along great. We're literally a week and a half away from having this done. Zach started the exhaust today underneath. 2.5 inch stainless steel off of some great headers that we have wrapped with a heat tape, heat wrap, so it takes and keeps the heat out of the engine compartment as much as possible. This thing is just really coming along excellent. This will probably be the best 1977 Ford F250 Ranger on the face of the earth. It's just going to be an awesome truck. Can't say enough about how it's coming together. I'm liking it. I love the color. In the sun, it's just amazing. Now we use the wool gray, which is the exact same color that we used on the 1971 GMC Jimmy that's downstairs for an accent color. And they just really are great together. Just a real nice accent. So it's going to be, it's a stock vehicle. We did not change anything about it from where it came from the factory, except we added some small custom things. A serpentine belt in the front on the motor, which is a really nice look. Anodized aluminum in a clear coat, so you don't have to maintain it. Just a really, really cool setup that we buy out of Minneapolis, Minnesota. We have taken and put a 400 big block in there. This one actually came with a 351, but the 400 was an option. And then we changed the air conditioning setup from the factory. It was down here on the driver's side, a real big bulky compressor. This has a real nice compact compressor that came with the setup from CVF out of Minneapolis, St. Paul. Really an excellent system. This is like the third one that we've used, and it really sets off the motors and it updates them with the certainty belt. And they do use a 8-fin belt versus a 6, and they say that it has 30% more grip, so you don't have the chance of having the belt slip, and 30% more strength. They're one of the few that use it out there. So just love the system, love the motor. Can't wait to hear it run. And Zach and Tyler are really kicking it. Cal, you've picked some awesome wheels. They fit perfectly with the theme that we have going on here. Just can't say enough about how happy I am. It's coming together. Brakes are bled. Wiring is done. It's literally waiting on 2 parts. We can fire it up. Excited. Anyway, that's where we are on the 1977 F250. Next week it should be running. Appreciate you tuning in. If you like what you see, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and please share our videos. If you like what you see, comment down below. Tell us what you think. Tell us what you have. Love to hear from each and every one of you. It's going to be an awesome truck. This is Chris with Legendary Customs. Thank you for joining us. Until the next episode, we'll see you then.